So when you have the remote in your hand, when you're next to your device, of course you see that little home button with a little house on it. Also, too, you want to make sure that your AAA batteries are in. Go ahead and open it up and make sure they're in the right direction. Because you might have bought one and not realize that the batteries aren't in it. So, what you're going to do is you're going to hold down the home button for 20 seconds. Now, you might have already done this before. That's okay. Just keep listening to what I'm saying. So you hold it down for 20 seconds, or, hypothetically for demonstrations. When you take it off, you might see that it doesn't work. That's okay. Hold it down for another 20 seconds. You might take it off 20 seconds later. Still doesn't work. Hold it down, the home button, for another 20 seconds. And again, you might have to do this 10 times. But eventually it will catch. And what's going to happen is you'll know it catches. On the bottom of your screen, there's going to be a little box that says remote connected. And immediately you'll know that it works. I bought mine brand new off of eBay. And I know there's some generic ones that you can get from China and a few others. And the good thing about this is you don't have to download the Amazon app in order to pair your new remote. Because I don't want to do that to mine because I got so much stuff on there. I don't want to reset it. And I forgot the password. So you can see there, it works just fine with my new remote control. Again, be very persistent. Do not stop until it takes you 10 times. If you do it 10 times, then there's something wrong. But I know I'll get you in the right direction. All right, please subscribe to this channel. Thanks so much.